Stop. We are Ricky and Brynnon. My brother's 10 years old. He can make weird sounds with his mouth. I'm about to slap him. Now, hit it, Brynnon. No, Brynnon, go. Brynnon's the best. Yes, he is. Brynnon's the best. Yes, he is. You can play with him all day long. No, Brynnon, you were going to turn around. My brother has amazing talent. Keep on doing. Come on. Brynnon, keep on going. Boom. I'm getting tired.